Hello friends, today our topic is acceptance testing. This testing is used to evaluate whether the specification or the requirement are met as per its delivery. This is done by the customer before accepting the final product. The objective of acceptance testing includes establishing confidence in the quality of the system as a whole, validating that the system is complete and will work as expected, verifying that the functional and non-functional behavior of the system are as specified. Now, the acceptance testing types are user acceptance testing, alpha testing, and beta testing. User acceptance testing is used to make sure whether the product is working for the users correctly. In this testing type, functionality that is more usable inside the application is generally picked to perform the testing purpose. Now coming to the alpha testing, it is a pre-release testing done by the end user representative at developer site. Coming to beta testing, it is performed by the potential customer at their own location with their own testing environment and resources. So these are the types of acceptance testing.